Morning students, what's up? Today we have to start the session for class 8. In this session we will learn division of rational number. In previous classes we have studied about the addition, subtraction and multiplication of rational number. But in this session we have to discuss about division of rationals. Okay? In class 8 we have to discuss here division of rational numbers. This is the method. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that c by d is not equal to 0, we shall define a by b divided c by d is equals to a by b, and this divide is converted into multiply and c by d is reciprocal here. Okay, this will understand by giving an example. Here example first, 2 by 3 divided 7 by 6. तो इसको डिवाइड कैसे करोगे? तो इसका मेथड है 2 by 3, ये वाली नंबर रह जाएगा, and this divide is converted into multiply, and this 7 by 6 is reciprocal here. It means this becomes 6 by 7, and you have to multiply it. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4 by 7 1 is 7. This is the required answer. Now we will learn here the properties of division. As we know, there are three properties of division which we will discuss here. First property is known as closure property. In this property we learn that quotient of two rationals is always a rational. It means if there are two rational numbers, that is 2 by 3 is the first rational number and 3 by 4 is the second rational number. If we divide 2 by 3 by 3 by 4, then the quotient will appear. What will appear? 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. 4 2 is 8, 3 3 is 9. This is the quotient. This is a rational number. This is also a rational number. And this is a quotient. This is a quotient which is also a rational number. Okay. Next, second property. If a rational number is divided by 1, the result is rational number itself. It means if you will divide 2 by 3 by 1, you will get 2 by 3. So on, 10 by 7 is divided by 1, you will get 10 by 7. It means if you will divide any rational number with 1, you will get a same rational number. So on. Okay. Third property is here. If a rational number is divided by itself, the result is 1. It means if you will divide 2 by 3 by 2 by 3, you will get 1. As you know how? You know 2 by 3 divided 2 by 3, this becomes 2 by 3 multiplied 3 by 2. One time cancel, 1 into 1, 1 आया. तो किसी भी रेशनल नंबर को आप डिवाइड करेंगे उसी रेशनल नंबर से इटसेल्फ से, तो वो रिजल्ट हमेशा 1 आएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट टाइम नाउ वी विल लर्न हियर एक्सरसाइज. Dear students, turn your page of your ISWAL book, exercise 1E. Okay, I am going to discuss the problems. I will discuss first problem. Simplify. I will solve here fifth of first, minus 16 by 35 divided minus 15 by 14. We have to solve it. You have to simplify, that is you have to divide minus 16 by 35 by minus 15 by 14. For this I have already taught you right now. Thus divide should be converted into multiply, and this number should be reciprocal here. Okay, this is opposite लिख देंगे यहाँ. If you are able to cut it, then do it. 7 2 is 14, 7 5 is 35. Okay, minus 16 by 5 into minus 2 by 15. This becomes 16 into 16, 32, minus minus plus एंड 75 आएगा 15 into 575, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 3 नंबर. I will discuss here 3 number question. Verify whether the given statement is true or false. Okay, I will discuss here first or third. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. This equals to 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. You have to identify that this statement is true or false. For it, we will proceed here. Assume this is as a LHS. 5 by 9 divided 5 by 2 divided, sorry गलत लिख दिया, 5 by 9 divided 1 by 3 divided 5 by 2. इसको आप कैलकुलेट करोगे तो ब्रैकेट वाले को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वर्क करोगे. एज यू नो यू हैव स्टडीड इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस. 3 by 1, 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. ओके, ये आपका आएगा 5 by 3 divided 5 by 2, 5 by 3, 2 by 5 cancel, 2 by 3. Okay, now here we will solve RHS. Okay, RHS. See here, this is RHS. 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. ब्रैकेट वाले को वर्क पहले करोगे. ओके, 5 by 9 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 2 by 15 आ गया. 5 by 9 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 15 by 2. 3 के टेबल में 15 और 9 दोनों आएंगे. 3 3 जा 9, 3 5 जा 15. ये आप 5 5 जा 25 by 3 2 जा 6. आप देख लो ये LHS आपका रहा आया 2 by 3. ये रहा आपका RHS, ये आया 25 by 6. दोनों तो इक्वल नहीं है, तो यहाँ लिखेंगे हेयर LHS is not equals to RHS. Hence, this statement is false. Verified हो चुका. Yes, LHS और RHS इक्वल नहीं आया, इसलिए स्टेटमेंट false हो गया. Okay. Now I will discuss here question number 6. Read question number 6. What it says. By what rational number should be multiply minus 15 by 56 to get minus 5 by 7. ये क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि किस रेशनल नंबर से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें, रिजल्ट -5 by 7 है. तो आप एज्यूम कर लो, लेट द नंबर बी x अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. दिस -15 by 56 is multiplied by x. दिस रिजल्ट बिकम्स -5 by 7. अब इसे इसको कैलकुलेट करना है, करोगे कैलकुलेट. एज यू नोट मल्टीप्लाइड में इधर तो डिवाइड में आएगा RHS में. -5 by 7 डिवाइड शुड बी कन्वर्टेड टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड दिस शुड बी रेसिप्रोकल हियर. ओके, 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, माइनस प्लस 36 by 21. This is the required number. Finally, you have to write here. Hence, the required rational number is 36 by 21. इस तरह से हो गया सॉल्व. अब मैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 सॉल्व करूंगा एक्सरसाइज 1 ही. इसके बाद ये सेशन ब्रेक होगा. ओके, देन रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. question number 10 is given here. Divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 5 by their difference. क्वेश्चन ये कहा कि आपको डिवाइड करना है 65 by 12 और 8 by 5 के सम को किससे डिवाइड करना है, उसके डिफरेंस से डिवाइड करना, राइट। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप कैलकुलेट करोगे इस दोनों का सम। इट मीन्स यू हैव टू ऐड 65 by 12 प्लस 8 by 5। एलसीएम लोगे 60 आ जाएगा। ओके, 12 से 60 को डिवाइड करो 5 टाइम्स, 5 से 65 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आ जाएगा 325 प्लस डिवाइड करोगे 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे एंड 6 ऐड कर दो, ये आ गया, राइट। नेक्स्ट है आपको डिफरेंस निकालना है। इसी दोनों का निकालना क्या है, डिफरेंस निकालना है आपको। 65 by 12 माइनस 8 by 5 दोनों में देखो यहाँ प्लस है यहाँ माइनस है, कैलकुलेशन तो सेम आएगा। जो ये मैंने ये किया बट ये साइन डिफर कर जाए, प्लस के प्लस पे हम क्या डालेंगे माइनस। चलिए ये लिख देता हूँ फिर क्या आता है देखता हूँ। 325 माइनस 96 बाई 60, देखो माइनस करोगे 15 से 6 किया 9, 11 से आपका ये जाएगा 9 तक 2 आ जाएगा और ये तो 1 रहेगा। ओके, 2 आएगा, सॉरी 60। नाउ आपको डिवाइड करना था, तो चलिए इस सम को इस डिफरेंस से डिवाइड कर लें। 421 by 60 डिवाइडेड बाई 229 by 60 इज इक्वल्स टू 421 by 60। ये कन्वर्ट होगा 60 by 229, कट गया 421 by 229। If you are able to convert it in simplest form, then you could do it, but I will not convert here. Hence, this will be required answer. Okay. In the same way, exercise 1E हमने डिस्कस किया। I hope that you will know get any problem during solving the questions. Okay, and I am giving you assignment that do exercise 1E. In next video I will discuss 1F. Okay, keep on studying. Thank you.